What?
The clip that makes that noise.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Just slightly over it. Is this vary in cut?
What?
Would this cut vary from one to another?
Well, you got the factory end on the left, right?
Yeah.
No, it's not tapered. Because I knocked that shit out, right? So I made it somewhat similar. It's pretty damn close.
I thought I overshot. I was like, what the? I was just gonna fucking do it by the old-fashioned looky-loo.
Might even be too much. Nope. Perfect.
Good here. Beauty. I haven't seen them all yet, though. You guys haven't seen Carrie or Stephanie yet?
No.
No, nobody's seen them.
We can stagger these up like this, right? Or do you want to keep reverse? Or you want to keep? Because if we're putting them, we should have them going like that, right? If we're doing 2 foots. Be stronger than just like then.
Yeah, we're sheeting out. Me and Matt almost got the whole one side done. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Get back. Sorry.
Because like if you just localize them right here, you're basically just making a 2 foot hard line.
Yeah.
Right. If you just keep going back and forth, right?
No, I know.
But if you wander it, then.
Sure. As long as we can always end up where we need to over there.
Well, what does that mean?
For our stagger. I just want to make sure that we can just kind of do the same thing as this. Just so we can have as much of this roof line done so we can get papered, so we can continue on with that and open all that up.
Yeah.
I just don't want to have more of the roof line open, that's all.
Okay, well, let's do this.
H-clip one.
You got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna go one this way then.
Sure.
Yeah?
Do that. And then just cut it off.
Yeah, and we can use it for right here or something.
Yeah, that works just fine.
Well, what do you think? Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna make much of a difference to us.
No. Yeah, I'm getting a little picky.
Honestly, there's a few things here that I would think. I would.
More than a couple, yeah. You laugh now.
Well, you know what they say, if you're gonna play pig shit, you might have to start throwing it around.
Who says that?
I do. You never heard that before?
No. I think you'd made it up. I would go so far as to say that you made it up.
I don't make it up. These 2 foot on centers as well?
Yeah. Well, that one might not be.
Yeah.
Just if you hook on and measure up, they'll be basically on 2 foot centers. If you hook on from the fascia.
Yeah, they are.
Stop. Hammer time.
That's weird. When you get like.
Now I may not be the worst or the best, but you gotta respect my honesty. And I may break your heart. Everything is in your mind. Everybody's gonna be wondering.
Did you holler no back?
I thought this was Hall & Oates.
Oh, voice change. Went into the stores, like, these really good black pot boys. I wanted that.
A really good what?
Black pot boys. What am I looking for?
Bitch. See me bitch slap that fucking wasp?
I did that. We're good here.
Hold up.
Here, I'll do the whole bucket. Get it lined up. Fish it on both. There we go.
Yeah.
I got these all started here. Come straight down with it. Of course, it doesn't want it. How's your ad?
Good. Yeah.
You pounding nails up?
30 and a half, 54 and a half, 30 and a half, 54 and a half, 34 and a half, 54 and 5/8, 30 and a half, 54 and 5/8, 30 and a half, 54 and 5/8.
Which one?
One that's plugged in down here.
Okay. Hello?
Maybe check it out at lunch.
Yeah, what time is it?
I'll knock on the door. Just give me a second. I just gotta get off the roof.
20 to noon.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I guess there's lots of backtraining and stuff. Still yet.